A day in my life as a freshman college student in Ateneo de Cagayan, aka XU. And yes, these vlogs of mine are inspired by the one and only Kuya Roscoe Jarvina. Jarvina or Harvina? I don't know, but you know that one guy from DLSU. This is the second to the last day of midterms. It's almost ending, finally. We only have one exam today. Our exam is only at 3 p.m. today. So I'm kind of taking my time. But anyways, I'm kind of scared. Yes, I am scared. I get scared. We all get scared, bro. This is pure multitasking right now. I forgot to charge my phone. So I'm out here. Nagdala ng power bank. Plus I have this. Oh my gosh, let's go. Our room is so messy, but I will clean up. Definitely will clean up after midterms. Oh, this is so hard, bro. Okay na natin. Okay, thank you. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Ano na?
Vlog. Vlog.
Ano na? Ipas? Or...
Dili, ako ra. So, the clutch of math.
Study with me, mathematics. What is linear programming, Venn diagram, sets.
Dili ko pwede may mag-study yung vlogger ba kay kuan bagsak-bagsak ko.
Pwede mo study vlogger kay gaana pa gani ka, libanhin na TikTok. Mas scroll na ka.
What can you say sa math? So guys,
well, a day in my life.
Oh
my god, ma-feature na ko sa vlog ni Dots.
yay! So mo ni ron naluyam eh.
Ate, di ba i-deserve Burger King by?
Okay. Kanina 99 ba?